Hi everybody. Today we are going to talk about Sanskritam. Sanskritam, oh my god, why Sanskritam? First thing, as I said Sanskritam, the first thing came into your mind, everybody's mind was Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everything that is what we call it our Vedic literature. That came into your mind. But do you all know it is the world's first spoken language? Yes, it is considered to be the mother of all the languages. Then, in this modern world, when we are not using Sanskritam anywhere, not even socially, not even commercially, then why should we learn Sanskritam? Welcome everybody. I am Arjun Vyas. From Vedshala, and I will be talking about importance of Sanskritam in modern world. We generally have a conception, yes, being mother of all the languages of the world, yes, it is the most Asian language. But to me, I would consider it the most modern language. The most modern language. I will put it in a nutshell in this intro video. Later on, every week we are going to post an importance of Sanskritam in this modern world. The scientific reasoning, the logical reasoning, the arithmetical reasoning. These are all combined in a spoken language. Surprise. Because generally we are not given a proper conception about a language that is a universal language. Why we consider that to be an universal language? Because universal language use all the principles of universe, whether it is physical in physics, whether it is in chemistry. If you go into the bottom line of everything is logic, arithmetic. It does not change the form. Am I right? Even Sanskritam is such a language which is arithmetical. That's the reason in India, many young children who have opted for Sanskrit as their subject in schools, they end up getting cent% marks. Most of them, it's very common to get cent% marks in Sanskrit. Language giving you an advantage of cent% marks, any language, I would put it, does not have that capacity. Then why Sanskritam? Because the structure of Sanskritam is logical, the structure of Sanskrit grammar is arithmetical. We are going to focus on that. But as I said Sanskrit, the first thing comes into our mind is just literature. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, that's it. But that is not Sanskrit only. Sanskrit is more used and comfortably used as a spoken language. To tell you the frank part of it is, for example, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 700 shlokas, only 700 shlokas in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, that has the capacity to give a compression of the deepest feelings and deepest communication. That was a question-answer session between Bhagwan and Arjun. But in that conversation, they end up only with 700 shlokas. Is it possible? Yes. If it is Sanskritam, it is possible. To put it in other way around is, if you take only a book which has 700 shlokas, might not be more than 70 or 80 or maximum 100 pages. Not more than that. But the translation in any other language has volumes, more than 4,000 pages, more than 400 pages, more than 500 pages. Why so? And that too with the small types and all that. Why so? Because every other language does not have the elasticity of sentence formation that Sanskrit gives you. Yes, I welcome you everybody. Vedshala conducts spoken Sanskrit workshops. And in that, we are emphasizing only on spoken Sanskritam. Over the days, we are going to consider many plus points why Sanskrit should be considered. Yes, we are heading towards 6th generation computer, 7th generation computer, Web 3.0, blockchain technology. So, to put it in a nutshell, if you go into the details of Sanskritam or the sentence formation of Sanskritam, you will find it, oh my God, it's the origin of the blockchain technology that we are talking today. And it was 10,000 to 15,000 years ago. Yes, there are many other plus points. As we go ahead, we will continue with each point every time. So, Vedshala has a mission. Mukhe Mukhe Sanskritam, Ved Bhasha Sanskritam, Asmakam Bhasha Sanskritam, Jayatu Sanskritam, Jayatu Sanskritam.